Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you today I'm grinding ripe chilies. I want to make chilies paste. So guys, I'm using my grinding stone to grind my chilies. It's very hot guys. I don't want to use my hand. I'll suffer with burning. This chilies is very hot. So after grinding, I'll use some garlic, some mustard seed, and cumin seed all on to braise it. So whenever I'm cooking my curry, I'm going to use this paste. So guys, I'll show you all when I finish grinding. I'm going to make it very fine. Then I will braise, I'll show you all. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'll show you all the chilies, ripe chilies, what I was grinding. You can see how fine I made it in a grinding stone guys. I'm making chilies paste. For that I got half onions crushed fine. I got 1 teaspoonful garlic. I got pinch of black pepper. I got half teaspoon fine salt. I got half cup oil. I got 1 tablespoon sugar. And I'll show you guys when braising. Now I'll add my onions and my garlic to fry. So guys, now I'll let my onions to cook fine. I grated very fine my onions, you can see. So I had a little bit extra chilies, ripe chilies. Last time guys I made fully chilies, I showed you all. So this one I'm making chili paste. You can see guys, I'm making chili paste. Now I'll add my sugar too. And my fine salt. And my black pepper. So guys, I won't let my onions get brown because why? I just want my onions to cook fine that I can put my chilies. This guys, we only use it for the house. I'm just making shell and like hot sauce, especially when you fry chicken and all. So now I will put my, if you got extra chilies guys, you can do that. You can make a paste your own. You can grind your chilies and braise it. It's very hot guys. I was actually frightened to use my hand because chilies is very hot. You always can have chilies. You can do so much with chilies. You can put vinegar, you can make curry chilies, you can make fully chilies, you can make chili paste. Even you can clean and freeze your chilies. So yeah, use garlic, black pepper, all guys, you can see. So this is my chili paste. So guys, I don't have lemon juice. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So guys, I'm using some vinegar. It's very, very hot, guys. I'll put my stove a bit slow and cook slowly. You can make your own chili paste. Guys, sorry I can't taste and tell y'all how it tastes because why I'm scared. My ulcers might wake up. Shaylin can taste it for you. Can give him 1 tablespoon. He can swallow it. And yeah, I can't taste because I'm scared of this hotness. Who's gonna taste first? Tia, you or Shaylin?
Tia.
Thank you guys so much for watching. You can cook it like this. Always braise it and cool it off. You can put in a Tupperware and keep it in the fridge. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy it, share it.